Did you fly toys?
Whoa! Look at all those eggs! That's right, Blaze. I counted 16 of them. I counted 16 too, and look at all the different colors. And look at all of our friends from Nick Jr. and Disney Jr. I sure hope they open these eggs soon. I want to see what's inside. Me too, Marshall. Let's open up these eggs and learn colors. Hi, everyone. Let's learn colors with our friends from Nick Jr. and Disney Jr. Sheriff Callie is on our blue egg. We found little George from Peppa Pig. George is Peppa's little brother, and he's very squishy and stretchy. Let's give him another squish. Up next, it's Gecko from the PJ Masks, and he's on our purple egg. We found Skye, and it's Super Pup Skye. Let's give her a big squish. She's also very stretchy. Whoa! Up next, it's Kion from the Lion Guard, and he's on our pink egg. It's Minnie Mouse. Look, she's wearing a pink dress. We have Sophia the First. She's on our white egg. Look at Skye from PAW Patrol. This pup has got to fly. Up next, it's Mickey Mouse from Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, and he's on our red egg. Whoa, it's Rocky from the PAW Patrol. Look at Rocky wearing green. Don't lose it, reuse it. It's Peppa Pig, and she's on our orange egg. Peppa was inside of the Peppa egg, and she's wearing a purple dress. And this Peppa is a micro light. Look at that light shine. Next we have Ryder, and he's on our yellow egg. It's Mickey Mouse, and this Mickey Mouse can lift up his arms and move his feet. Oh, Toodles! Hot dog, hot diggity dog! Up next we have Marshall, the fire pup from PAW Patrol, and he's on our green egg. Wow! It's Kion from the Lion Guard, and he is saying, "Roar!" Up next we have Skye from PAW Patrol, and she's on our blue egg. What's inside? It's little Doc McStuffins, and she is a little Fasham. She is super cute, stretchy, and squishy. Up next we have Catboy from the PJ Masks, and he's on our purple egg. What is it inside? It's Zuma from the PAW Patrol. Zuma wears an orange uniform, and this Zuma is small and sitting down. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Let's dive in. It's Chase from the PAW Patrol, and he's on our white egg. What's inside? Wow, there are two things inside. It's Millie from Team Umizoomi. And look, it's Team Umizoomi in the Umi car. Zoom, 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 zoom. Up next we have Rocky from PAW Patrol. And he's on a pink egg. What's inside? Whoa, look at these. There's Catboy, Owlette, and Gecko.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you, Fizzy.
They're launchers. You can launch them into the air. Have fun.
Super cool, Fizzy. So we just go ahead and put these in the launcher, and then we squeeze it. Whoa! Let's try it with Owlette. Whoa, they go super fast. Here goes Catboy. Wow! Just 4 more eggs left. We have Minnie Mouse, and she's on our red egg. Wow, I see a lot of yellow. It's Rubble, and it's Super Pup Rubble, and he's very squishy and stretchy. Up next we have Everest, and she's on an orange egg. I wonder what's inside. Hey, it's Catboy from the PJ Masks. He goes into the night to save the day. It's Blaze, and he's on a yellow egg. I see a big pink hat. It's Sheriff Callie from Sheriff Callie's Wild West. Yeehaw! And our last egg is Owlette, and she's on a green egg. Oh, cool! It's Fully! Fully is super fast! There she is! Where'd she go? She's back! She's part of the Lion Guard. And there she went.
Ooh, I had so much fun learning colors with Play-Doh eggs. I hope you did too. Let's learn colors with the PAW Patrol and Play-Doh. Have fun!
Red. Red train. Orange. Orange lion.
Roar! Roar!
Pink. Pink truck. Yellow. Yellow giraffe. Green. Green frog.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
Blue. Blue truck. Purple. Purple turtle. Black. Blue penguin. Black penguin. White. Yellow helicopter. Red, orange, pink, yellow, green, blue, purple, black, and white. Splashlings! This mermaid has orange hair and a blue fin. Her name is Betsy. This crab is blue and orange. His name is Rocky. This sand dollar is white and pink. Its name is Sandy Dollar. This is Buster Barkley. He is blue and white. This is Kimmy Coy. She is gray and orange. This is Aqua Marina. She is blue and green. This is Matadora. She is red and pink. This is Whiskers. Whiskers is pink and black. We have a purple shell. This is Polly Panda. Polly Panda is pink. We have a yellow shell. This is Hopsy. Hopsy is green and blue.
Ooh, so much fun! See you next time!